Hello everyone, this is Ashutosh Trivedi here. You are most welcome on my YouTube channel Ashu Official. If you're watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get such useful content which can help you to improve your spoken English. And today I'm here with Yamini, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just starting with the first question, that how are you feeling right now? Just say to the viewers, how are you feeling?
Sir, currently I'm feeling little bit nervous right now because this is my first podcast.
Oh, that's pretty obvious. Take a long breath and be normal. It's not going to be a very difficult, or I'm not going to ask you a lot of questions. There would be few questions. So be calm and composed, okay?
Yes.
So starting with the first question, Yamini, can you please introduce yourself to listeners?
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yamini Yadav. I was born and brought up in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. My family consists of 4 members, including me. I have completed my schooling from LLK Vidya Mandir Inter College. After that, I did my graduation from CSGM University. Thank you.
Oh, that's great to hear about you. Okay. So moving on with another question. I feel that you are able to speak good English. Then how did you start learning spoken English and why?
Sir, because in today's world, English is very important.
Yes.
And it is the communication skills between the two people who do not know the other language. Like their common language is English. At first, I tried watching English movies, English songs, podcast, and after that, I joined the in Time Academy coaching for better improvement.
Oh, that's great. So, as you said about the podcast, did you follow any particular podcast host?
Yes, sir. Sometime I'm watching Think School, a YouTube channel. Think
Oh,
School.
yes. That's a good channel.
Yes, sir. And Ranveer Elabadia channels.
Yes, beer biceps. Okay. So another question goes to you: that what difficulties did you face while learning English?
Sir, at first I got stuck after speaking one or two sentences because my problem is the whenever I try to speak in English, I create sentence formation in my mind, and after two or three sentences, I got stuck, and my vocab is I can't able to recall the vocab. So this is my problem.
So somewhat you can say you have limited words in your mind.
Yes, sir.
Is that so?
Yes, sir. Limited words, and I try to learn the new vocab, but when I'm trying to speak, the vocab
Oh, so
is
you
not coming.
don't get the right words at the right time.
Yes, sir.
That's the problem. And it happens with most of them due to fear of public speaking or due to fear of communication skills, right?
Yes.
Okay. So another question goes to you: that how is In Time Academy helping you to improve your spoken English?
Sir, all the teachers are very good in this coaching, and if I talk about the Mr. Divedi sir, so they give the feedback every student personally. If I talk about myself, so whenever I say something, so they give me feedback like you have to correct this posture or you have to improve your grammar. And after joining this coaching, my confidence is increased.
Yes, exactly. So what about the friends? Do you like your friends here in this coaching?
Yes, sir. I have many friends like Avantika and Princey and Dhara, and they are always motivated me, and I always uh, try to do something, learn from them.
Exactly. That's a very good thing because we need to make friends to do practice with them, right? So another question related to your future dream. So what are your future goals or dreams?
Sir, I have many goals like traveling the world and work in an NGO. But my first aim is to get a job, a government job, because it provides the stability and security. So my first aim is to get a job.
Okay. So in which sector would you like to get a government job?
Sir, as per my qualification, I did a teaching professional course. So I prefer the teaching job.
So you want to be a government teacher?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's great. All the best for that.
Thank you, sir.
So another question goes to you: that how do you think English will help you in your future career? As you said that you want to be a teacher,
Yes.
that how will it help you in your future?
Sir, if I talk about the younger kids, so after the NEP 2020, we have to teach them in mother tongue language. But if I talk about the higher class, so in higher class you have a good communication skill in English. So I think that English helped me a lot in my upcoming future and career.
Yeah, sure. As a teacher nowadays, it is crucial to know spoken English so
Yes.
you can help your students too, right? And just question related to advice, that what piece of advice would you give to someone who is just starting to learn spoken English?
So my advice to those that don't be afraid to speaking the English. At first, you make mistakes, but you try to learn from them, and never afraid to speaking English and public speaking.
Exactly. Just take a first step
Yes, sir.
and be just your normal while starting your journey, right? Never be afraid of making mistakes. Okay. So another question goes to you. That is the final question of this session. That is, what do you think about this podcast and how will it help you in building confidence?
Thank you, sir. First of all, to giving me this opportunity. And after this podcast, I think I am little bit motivated, and my confidence is much increased. And that's it.
Yeah, exactly. At least if you will face such kind of settings next time, you would be thinking about the first time that already I have done it, right?
Yes, sir.
But when you face something for the first time, always we get fear inside, right?
Yes.
So, okay, that's it for today. Thank you, Yamini, for your answers.
Thank you, sir.
And thank you to all of you for watching this. Bye bye. Take care.